Scientists, like me, are unique people. In order to provide valid answers to several scientific puzzles, they often work in a certain manner. In this lesson, you'll explore some of the ways scientists work. We'll begin with how scientists decide on what to work on. Often, scientists are confronted with a particular natural or man-made problem that needs to be solved. For example, between late 2019 and 2020, scientists were astonished by the overwhelming coronavirus infections all over the world, which grew into a global pandemic. So it became important for scientists to find viable treatments and vaccines to control the spread of the virus. In some other instances, scientists try to understand a particular phenomenon better in order to help mankind live a life that is better or to help solve another challenge. Scientists Jeffrey Hall, Michael Rosbash, and Michael Young were puzzled about how the biological clocks in living organisms like we humans work to help us adjust to the regular changes in night and day. Their work has helped us understand how to handle our health and well-being better, and for that, they received the Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine in 2017. Sometimes, scientists investigate what they observe for the fun of it, and often they discover things that are eventually helpful. The 2020 Ig Nobel Prize was awarded to the scientist Richard Vetter, whose survey revealed that a handful of entomologists are scared of spiders. Entomologists are scientists that study insects. I suppose you still remember that spiders are not insects. So once scientists have decided what to work on, then they need to design and commence an investigation. The investigation will require scientists to ask themselves a couple of questions and to try to make informed guesses or predictions called hypotheses. This is to guide how they carry out their investigations. Eventually, a hypothesis will be verified or disproved by the results at the end of the investigation. For example, Richard Vetter, based on his observations, may have hypothesized that some entomologists are scared of spiders, and then went on to design an investigation which proved his hypothesis right. But for scientists to verify whether or not their hypotheses are right, they often need to make measurements. And the type of measurements scientists make and how they make them will be the subject of our discussion in a related lesson. But in this lesson, we've run through how scientists decide what to work on and why they make hypotheses. Come along, let's waddle more in the way of the scientists.